Dubai, a city in the United Arab Emirates, is known for its lavish lifestyle, towering skyscrapers, and luxurious attractions. However, beyond its glitz and glamour, Dubai also boasts a natural beauty and unique cultural experiences that make it a fascinating place to live and visit. Life in Dubai. Dubai is a vibrant and multicultural city, home to a diverse population of expats from all over the world. The city offers a high standard of living, with excellent healthcare, education, and transportation systems. Dubai is also a safe city, with a low crime rate, making it an ideal place to raise a family. Additionally, the city offers an abundance of employment opportunities, particularly in the finance, technology, and tourism sectors. Beauty of Dubai. Dubai is a city that blends the old and the new, with modern skyscrapers and traditional souks coexisting in harmony. The city's architecture is awe-inspiring, with landmarks such as the Burj Khalifa, the world's tallest building, and the Burj Al Arab, a luxurious hotel shaped like a sailboat. Dubai is also home to several beautiful beaches, including Jumeirah Beach and Beach, where visitors can enjoy the sun, sand, and warm waters of the Arabian Gulf. Most beautiful places in Dubai. One of the most beautiful places in Dubai is the Dubai Miracle Garden, a stunning botanical garden that features over 45 million flowers in intricate designs and patterns. The garden is open from November to May and is a must-visit attraction for nature lovers. Another popular destination is the Dubai Mall, one of the largest malls in the world, featuring over 1,200 retail stores, an aquarium, and an ice rink. For those interested in history and culture, the Dubai Museum offers a glimpse into the city's past, with exhibits showcasing traditional Bedouin life, pearl diving, and the development of Dubai over the years. Jumeirah Mosque is another beautiful landmark, featuring stunning architecture and offering guided tours for visitors to learn about Islamic culture and traditions. In conclusion, Dubai is a city that offers a unique blend of modern luxury and cultural heritage, making it a fascinating place to visit and live. From its beautiful beaches and stunning architecture to its vibrant multicultural community, Dubai is a city that has something for everyone. Other beautiful places to visit in Dubai include Dubai Fountain, a breathtaking water and light show set to music, captivating family Burj Khalifa, Burj Khalifa, an artificial island shaped like a tree, featuring luxury hotels, resorts, and villas. Development featuring high-rise buildings, restaurants, and a beautiful marina. Ski Dubai, an indoor ski resort located in the Mall of the Emirates, featuring real snow and a variety of winter sports. Al Bastakia, a historic neighborhood in Dubai, featuring traditional Arabic architecture, narrow streets, and beautiful wind towers. Dubai Creek, a natural saltwater creek that runs through the city, offering a beautiful view of the city skyline. Dubai Opera, a stunning venue for concerts, operas, and other cultural events, located in downtown Dubai. Dubai Parks and Resorts, a massive entertainment complex featuring theme parks, water parks, and other attractions. Hada, a beautiful mountainous region located outside of Dubai, featuring hiking trails, natural pools, and stunning scenery. Whether you are interested in exploring the city's modern attractions or its rich history and culture, Dubai offers an endless array of beautiful places to visit and things to do. With its world-class amenities and warm hospitality, Dubai truly is a city that has it all. Life in Dubai is a unique experience that offers a blend of different cultures and lifestyles. The city is known for its luxurious lifestyle, but it also offers a range of options for people with different budgets. For example, there are many affordable housing options available, and public transportation is efficient and affordable. One of the benefits of living in Dubai is the warm and sunny climate, with temperatures averaging around 25 to 30 degrees Celsius during the winter months. This makes it a great place to enjoy outdoor activities such as beach volleyball, golfing, and water sports. Dubai is also a city that values education and has many excellent schools and universities. Many expats come to Dubai specifically for the high-quality education options available for their children. One of the most significant advantages of living in Dubai is its tax-free environment. There is no income tax or value-added tax, VAT, on goods and services, making it an attractive destination for entrepreneurs and businesses. In terms of social life, Dubai offers a wide range of options for entertainment and leisure activities. The city has a vibrant nightlife scene, with many restaurants. Overall, life in Dubai offers a unique combination of luxury, culture, and convenience. With its world-class amenities, multicultural environment, and warm climate, it's no wonder why Dubai is such a desirable place to live.